Hey, this is Dwight Miller with Learn AI Now with another uh, Chat GPT video. This one is how to stay in shape and lose weight. And so let's get started. So why should you use Chat GPT for fitness? One is it gives you personalized fitness advice. It's available anytime, anywhere. You can get encouragement and motivation, and culturally relevant tips will provide you with some prompts that'll help you see how all that works. First, you want to define your goals. What's the importance of specific measurable goals? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to gain muscle? Do you want to increase stamina? And Chat GPT can help you set and track those goals. The types of exercises, Chat GPT will tailor your workout to meet your needs. So if you want to do cardio or strength training, increase your flexibility, you can use Chat GPT to find workout routines and incorporate activities that you enjoy. It can also help you develop healthy eating habits, balanced diet principles, culturally relevant recipes. In other words, you can get healthy recipes of soul food that make sense for you to eat. And meal plans, you can use Chat GPT to get recipes, nutrition tips, and all of those other things. It can help you keep your motivation, setting small, achievable milestones, provide you with daily motivation, and help you join communities for support. Chat GPT can do regular check-ins, so you can check in with Chat GPT regularly, adjust your plan based on your goals, and celebrate your success. And it'll help you deal with obstacles. For example, if you struggle with time or motivation, or you plateau, in other words, you reach a point where you don't feel like you're achieving your goals, Chat GPT can help with that, help you develop strategies to overcome those goals and stay resilient and focused. So here's what I'd like you guys to do. One is don't forget to share and to share these videos and like them so that you get notified when we do new videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell us in the comments your story about how you've stayed in shape. Share how you've achieved your goals and any lessons that you learned. Start your fitness journey today. Um, Let me encourage you to recap the key points, encourage you to take the first step, get started with ChatGPT by going to ChatGPT, sign up with your email, and try some of the sample prompts we have on the next page, and here they are. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments about how you use ChatGPT, um, and tell us what you want help with using ChatGPT. Thanks so much. Once again, this is Dwight Miller with Learn AI Now.